What's going on, you guys? Your old pal Qatar here, and today we are back with another unboxing of the last of the Angry Grandpa merch from BBTV, and I got a food package from Amazon, and it came opened. See, guys, look. It looks like the mailman cut open the tape and took a couple of my stuff out. So, you know, we're gonna see what's going on with that, if anything's missing in there. But first, we're gonna open this up because it's sealed. So let's see what the last of the Angry Grandpa t-shirts look like. What the hell, Michael? You fat motherfucker. Well, goddamn! Look at this. Eat, sleep, Angry Grandpa, repeat. Ah, ha, 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 ha. What does it say? Oh. Okay, no. It doesn't say that. It says, can't get no sleep, can't get no rest, can't get no respect. Isn't that the truth? Now, look, I'm gonna look, it's all open. What kind of shit is this? But yeah, I ordered another box of food earlier. But look, here you see I got the goddamn Mountain Dew Game Fuel amp. And I got some goddamn coconut water. Ah, ha, ha, ha. And I got some goddamn salt and vinegar kettle cooked chips. What the hell, Michael? But yeah, it looks like my Game Fuel is sealed, but let's just check this out 1 second. All right, follow me with the camera. All right. One more time. All right. Now, the flavors are Charged Cherry Burst, Charged Berry Blast, Charged Original Dew, and Charged Tropical Strike. Now, I read the reviews after I bought it, after the fact. A lot of reviews says this tastes like shit. So, I hope it doesn't taste like shit. But before this, I ordered some water, some Fiji water, and some Coca-Cola Life, but I didn't do the unboxing because I wanted to drink it real fast. But I should have done unboxing that with this, because this was all supposed to be one delivery. But when they delivered it, they broke it up into packs. Let's see. See, look. There's a can of the yellow one, the charged. Tropical Strike. And you see this, it says it's supposed to be a resealable can, but I heard online that when you open it, it explodes and it goes everywhere and it's not good. So I hope it doesn't explode. It says you have to use a piece of paper towel when you open it because it's going to explode everywhere, which is not very good for when you're gaming, ironically, because it's supposed to be game fuel. So you don't want your controllers, your TV, and your console getting all sticky and messed up, because this could potentially destroy it if it does explode on it. But here's the other flavor, the green one, the Original Dew, Mountain Dew, game fuel, Michael. Now you drink Mountain Dew, you fat motherfucker. This one, the blue one, Charles Berry Blast. Are you drinking this in the trailer park? I don't think so, you fat motherfucker. And this one, it says Call of Duty, Modern Warfare. Man, I played the beta and that game sucked. Fuck Call of Duty, fuck Modern Warfare, and fuck you, Michael, you fat motherfucker. And next up, let's do, this used to be my girlfriend's favorite drink, coconut water. I asked her if she wanted a box or two, but she said she didn't drink it anymore. But, you know, to get free shipping from Amazon, they want $25. So I would have had to buy $40 worth of coconut water to get free shipping, which is ridiculous. Because I was ordering it with the food stamps, and obviously the shipping, food stamps doesn't cover shipping, obviously, so. Yeah, I remember Caitlin used to drink this all the time. But the one she drank used to be bigger cartons. Look how small these cartons are. Like baby cartons. Damn. That's incredible. And this shit's expensive too. It's like $20 for this shit. Viva Coca. And how many are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 8, 12? 12? Damn, they sold me 12 for fucking $20? That's incredible. But, also, I got one single bag of chips because this is the only brand of chips you can only buy in a 1-pack. So, I got this. But, yeah guys, don't forget to drop some likes on this video. If you're not subscribed, subscribe, favorite, leave some comments down in the comment section below, and smash that bell notifications for instant updates on new videos. Peace out, guys. But yeah, guys, there's a little bit of a follow-up to what I was saying before. This was the Fiji water that I also got in the mail, but I drank the other 11 bottles. And this is the Coca-Cola Life that I was talking about. I got 3 12-packs, and the cans, they look like this. And actually, to me, it tastes more like Pepsi to me, because it's made with real cane sugar, but only like 80% of what it was, or something. Yeah, see, reduced calorie. What does it say? It says 35% fewer calories than leading Coke. Yeah, because it only has like 80% cane sugar, and like the rest is this sativa. That's why it's called Coke Life. It's me, you know, the can's green because the plant's green. But, yeah, to me, it tastes more like Pepsi. But yeah, I thought I'll show you guys that, so I'll see you guys later.